For 125 years, we have come to the aid of those in need. Daughters, sons, mothers and fathers, family, friends, and neighbors. We have innovated better ways to care for you today, and we educate those who will one day take our place to ensure your care tomorrow. We stand ready to respond and ready to serve in crisis and in celebration, to partner with you to find health and hope. Why? Because you matter. You are our neighbor. Your life is precious and filled with potential. You inspire us to dig deeper, climb higher, and go further in our effort to help you back to health and teach you how to stay there. We are Riverside University Health System, and we serve because you matter.
RUHS has grown from serving the basic medical needs of 47 patients during its inaugural year to presently serving hundreds of thousands of patients with complex medical and behavioral health needs from across the region.
The County of Riverside established the hospital that would become the heart of the county's healthcare safety net in 1893, just 2 months after the county was founded. Originally housed in a downtown Riverside hotel, the hospital quickly outgrew the hotel property and in 1895 moved to a larger hotel in city of San Jacinto. One fire, one earthquake, and 5 years later, the hospital was moved back to the city of Riverside, where it would remain for the next 98 years. Wars, depressions, epidemics, including the Spanish flu and tuberculosis, combined with dramatic population growth, tested the county hospital's ability to fulfill its mission. Through it all, it grew to become what residents needed it to be. The hospital became known as an innovator in medical care, becoming the first in the county to achieve Joint Commission accreditation and is the county's first teaching hospital. Today, RUHS trains thousands of physicians, nurses, and health professionals each year. In the mid-1980s, it was clear the hospital had outgrown the Riverside campus. Plans were developed to relocate the hospital to 105 acres of land in Moreno Valley. The new 520,000 square foot structure would offer more than double the space of the old Riverside Hospital, allowing for twice the patient volume. And it was built to withstand earthquakes that threatened to level the old hospital buildings. In 1998, the army of physicians, nurses, staff, and patients took up occupancy in the new facility, whose design and technical features had earned it the California Association of Public Hospitals County Hospital Innovation Award. In the years that followed, the county's population more than doubled, and the wisdom of investment proved itself. In 2015, the hospital, the county's network of community health centers, as well as its departments of behavioral and public health, merged into the single entity we now know as Riverside University Health System. Adaptation and innovation are central to the fulfillment of Riverside University Health System's mission to provide for the health and healthcare of the communities we serve.
Last year, Riverside University Health System Medical Center served more than 100,000 inpatients, 86,000 emergency room patients, and treated over 1/2 of all trauma patients in Riverside County. The medical center has been recognized as a top performer on key quality measures by the Joint Commission, as well as for the outstanding and high quality care provided to patients with stroke, diabetes, and sepsis, just to name a few. We apply the principles of continuous improvement to reduce wait times, improve patient satisfaction, and to ensure our ability to meet the healthcare needs of our growing region.
Last year, the RUHS Community Health Centers served 44,000 patients with over 118,000 visits. In order to meet the whole person care needs of our patients, we now have behavioral health experts, care managers, and care coordinators at every site. We offer scheduled telephone visits to make it easier for patients to connect with their providers and get the care they need.
RUHS Behavioral Health serves more than 60,000 people whose lives are affected by mental illness and substance abuse. Riverside County was the first county to adopt the new service delivery model for substance abuse treatment and prevention. Our new mental health urgent care facilities provide support before a psychiatric crisis leads to hospitalization. Our HOPE program provides housing supports for people with mental illness, and our Parent Partners program provides assistance to families and children with mental health needs.
RUHS Public Health has tailored its wide range of services to the unique needs of the communities we serve. Our public health nurse home visit program sees more than 1,300 clients annually and makes more than 8,000 home visits. We provide nutritional services to 57,000 families each month. And our immunization program distributes about 20,000 doses of flu vaccine each year. All of this results in savings to the county and tens of thousands of dollars in medical costs annually.
Today, Riverside University Health System is taking the necessary next steps to ensure its ability to provide the region convenient access to the quality care for which it has become known. The new medical office building on the Moreno Valley campus will provide advanced outpatient care tailored to our community's unique needs. More room to provide care will reduce the time patients wait to receive care and will enable RUHS to more efficiently satisfy the healthcare needs of a growing region. To bring care closer to home, RUHS is improving and expanding its emergency services and network of community health centers. New clinics in Corona, Jurupa Valley, and Moreno Valley have been designed as convenient one-stop shops that offer both medical and mental health, as well as pharmacy services. Combined with its existing clinics located in the county's population centers, residents and visitors are never far from the convenient and compassionate care RUHS provides. Whatever changes and challenges the future may bring, we will continue to adapt, continue to innovate, continue to educate, continue to care. Why?
Because you matter.
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 Porque eres importante. Because you
Matter. Because you matter.
Riverside University Health System. Because you matter.
Because you matter.